Citi has added the ability to transfer your Citi ThankYou Points into the preferred hotels and resorts program. Let's talk about it, but before I do, I'm Key, a credit card points and miles enthusiast and travel lover. On my channel, I talk about the mistakes I've made, my future travel goals, and my credit journey. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm creating this video for the person that goes by the alias Oberwolf A on the Reddit churning group. It stated that after reading Ben's article at 1 mile at a time, they were unable to figure out how to find out how much points per night these preferred hotels programs would cost. Well, I'm here to help. So let's dive right in. First thing first, there's actually 2 different websites for the preferred hotels and resorts program. Don't ask me why, but I'm imagining the Reddit alias went to the preferredhotels.com website trying to utilize this. But let me just show you why this website isn't what we want to use. I'm just going to do a quick search for a hotel in Boston for a couple days out here. You'll notice that you're only able to see the cash or the points plus cash option here. So when I select this points versus cash, I can see that it would cost me 10,000 points per night plus $507. I don't know about you, but that's not really what I'm going for when utilizing my points. So instead of using the preferredhotels.com website, instead, what you want to do to get this done right is go to IPrefer.com. Once you're at this website, you want to come over to offers and then select rewards nights. Now, once we're here, I just want to share some really quick information. There's 432 hotels as of today, October 21st. Not sure if they plan on adding more, but that's a good amount to start with. Nights start at as little as 15,000 points. So because you can only transfer your Citi ThankYou Points in increments of 1,000, you'll actually need only 4,000 Citi ThankYou Points in order to book awards night at the IPrefer program. That's pretty solid. So as little as 4,000 Citi ThankYou Points per night. And let me just see how much the maximum is. I'm just going to try and change the filters over here. Okay, weird. It looks like the highest maybe points per night is 150,000 points. If we're transferring our Citi ThankYou Points, we need about 38,000 per night. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to comment down below if this was helpful, like the video, and subscribe. Major shout out to Ben from the 1 Mile at a Time blog. I'll be sure to link this blog post in the comments section down below. Using my Boston example, that hotel, instead of costing 10,000 points per night plus $500, would actually only cost me about 13,000 Citi ThankYou Points transferred over to the iPreferred program. This hotel costs about $800 per night when we include the fees and taxes. So let me pull out my calculator and do the amount of the hotel divided by 13,000 Citi ThankYou Points. This gives me a valuation of 6 cents per point. I hate cent per point math, but I do have to ask, does this new partnership between Citi and Preferred rival that of Chase and Hyatt? Let me know.